9. I bought 9.
So 2 hours later, hour and a half, Chris said, we are now done with the auction. It's like started at 10, it's a little before 12. Parking lot to parking lot, there's an antique store right next to the auction house, which you know, y'all, the car just drives right there. Oh, that's a cool piece. Cool decorative piece. Oh, the candy canes, $1 a piece. Okay, we're gonna grab all those. Is that this Belposh Spartan? Oh my gosh. For sale. I always like for sale signs. I don't know why. I do. Oh, look at that's a big
footstool.
It is. I think it's like outdoor here stuff. Got some turkeys. Oh, there's the candle. He's cute. $1 on that little napkin ring. I think here we go. We got some more little turkeys over here. Got a funny little Santa. Oh my gosh. What is that? He's 20 and then got some 4th of July going on there. Y'all know I'm gonna look at the Christmas. Hello, Christmas. Oh, that's so tiny. Okay. Those are cool. What's the little Santa planter? Is he anybody? Oh. He's a folk art piece. Oh, there you go. He's a folk art piece. He's funny. Oh my gosh, look at those. Those are wrapped. Those are cool. Is he a candle or oh, he's a little bank? Oh, I just used these two. As I'm working around to see the other side, we have to look at what Halloween is left. Little folk art piece, $4. It's a Bethany Low. Yep, it is. $4 Bethany Low. Wow. Oh. Look at that's the whole set of elves. Gnomes, $14 with some plastic trees. Oh. Do you see what I see? $2 each. Uh-oh. Upstairs, and I remembered that I liked one of these booths over here. That's actually kind of cool just for display because it's missing its glass, but that's what they're using it for. So, try to talk over the radio. Oh my gosh, look at that Scotch tape dispenser for $10. That plaid is amazing. Those are a good find for tree toppers right now if you want to display them. They're using it for display. Oh my gosh. Look at all the turkeys. Oh, I don't have any turkeys left, I don't think. So, last time I was here, there was a whole bunch of jadeite. Not seen as, they look like Snap Crackle Pop, but I don't know who they are. Oh, they are Snap Crackle Pop. I was right. That's hilarious. Pat myself on the back. Oh, some ironstone over here. Nice bowls. That is a cute little cheese cloche. That's a cute, beautiful pattern. Whole bunch of butter pads. They're $6 a piece, so that's cool. I like that little thing that they're using. Ironstone pedestal dish. Oh, are they selling these? $8 a piece. I might have to get those. I sold them for $15 a piece. The vintage store tags, I'm sure 25 is gone. 25 is always gone, right? I can look though. because we like it for Christmas. Number. Looks like it's repetitive. Hey, we could finish our collection. We need one more shaker with this. We have a display that needs that. So that's awesome. Oh, I love the next steam box down there. Oh, ooh, what is here then? $30, no lid, refrigerator dishes. Fire King, beautiful. Hello, Flower Frog in green, 16. I know it's just for display though. It's very cool. That is a nice cloche. It's 24 on that cloche. Wow. Look at this little hidden treasure back here. Take a peek. I see a little pixie with a swan. $15. Skimmed shells. Of course, the Halloween display looks, to me it looks all newer, but it may not be. I may be missing something. Oh, look at that enamelware though. 32 and that green enamel. I know people collect that, the green. Oh, we found some ghettos. $5 on the rolling pin. But I thought that is really cute. Is it pink? Kind of reminds me like Pyrex, but I don't think that it is, but it's pretty cool. It's a little piece. Halloween they have. I don't know what that is. Throat ease. Little felt kitty cat for 10. Ooh, that little angel. She's cute. She's an October birthday angel. Oh, there's a witch and a cat back here. 24 on the cat. These little witches, 12. Love these. I think they're amazing. Especially for 40, yeah, I would say 42 on that one. That is cool. So a good thing about having a antique store next to a collector's auction is the store was super busy, so it was a little hard to film in there, but I remember some of the really good treasures we got the last time, so we scored. And $2 each for an empty box, ornament box, vintage one, whether I make something out of it or I put new ornaments or old ornaments in it. That is a great deal, so I grabbed quite a few of those. So there's just something about finishing up an auction and visiting the area's antique malls. So whether you walk out with something or you walk out with nothing, it's just fun to window shop. But today's adventure of after auction, oh my gosh, you guys, if anything, I'm like, $2 old ornament boxes. Are you kidding me? Did I grab a few? Yes! Oh my gosh. Yep, 2 stacks. Whether I use them this season, I hoard onto them. You know, not only can I create with them, but I can also, like, I have ornaments that need boxes, or I can group together, and now I have boxes, you know, that's perfect. I shared how to fix that. Like if you get anything from IOD, just the cellophane, that hard, strong plastic, and then double stick tape, and you can replace what is missing. I buy cardboard paper, sack tape, I guess, the brown paper, and then I will tape the inside so that it stays together. I mean, it's an old box that we're trying to save. So what did I get? 9. I bought 9. So perfect. And then I was super excited to run across, we have a set that Chris picked up at auction, and it's missing one of the spice tins, though the set that he picked up, somebody had spray painted like a yellow that's all chippy, not good chippy in a good way. So I've been searching for one of the, I needed this type of rim. It's like a Hoosier type spice. So I'm super excited. I'm like, yes, I can finish the set, and then I'll share with you how I'm going to paint that over. And now that it's the season and I've learned people love little figures, the whole set of these were $9. They're usually $9 a piece. So if you're going to sell me the whole set for $9, I'm going to go ahead and take them. So they're just little choir boys. Very cute. And then one little angel. She's not broken. Nothing's wrong with her that I saw. So somebody just wanted to sell her. So, and then this is an old banner that says Merry Christmas. I gotta be careful. So I want to be extremely careful, you know. It looks like it's got some ribbon, and then it says Merry Christmas again. I prefer to keep it rolled up because you know how that aged paper is so brittle, so very brittle. And then be careful with the paper clip. That I did buy that green enamel refrigerator pan because jadeite. Because people collect the green color is very highly sought after. A beautiful refrigerator dish with just enough of the right rusty, crusty patina, a little bit of the label left on there. So I quickly jumped onto eBay to see what they were selling for, so there was a profit in there. And then my last item, what? They were $1 when I entered the store. So I'm like, even if I put them for $2, I've made a profit. So yeah, awesome. Candy canes, we are in the season. Now I have to figure out how to display them in my booth. There, you got that. Thank you for popping in the antique mall with us. It was fun. We're not in that area a lot. That's not an area I would just drive to just to go to the one antique store. So if we're in the area for an auction, heck yeah, we're going to go ahead and stop in there. So Grand Ledge, outside of Lansing, between Lansing and Mason, I think it kind of is around. But it's a nice little antique store. So thank you again so much for watching today's video. And as always, if you're part of our YouTube family, thank you so much. And if you're new and you're checking out the channel for the first time and you liked what you saw, please hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so you know we upload a new video. And we will see you next time, guys. And you can see what we're up to. Bye.